Good morning parents and welcome to the social media post for the junior school for this week. I'm currently standing or filming in the aquatic centre, the school's aquatic centre, which has been here for a little over 10 years. And it is toasty warm in here today, even though it's cold outside. So what you can see behind me are the prep boys in the middle of their learn to swim lesson. So Mrs. Grill's class, and Mrs. Grill's just over near me watching them as well. And it's one of our regular school programs. So all the boys from prep to year 3 have a learn to swim lesson once a week, all year round for 4 years basically, and it ensures they're water safe. And the message there is this is part of regular school, which we are so pleased to be back doing. This week, and I guess last week as well, we're in the middle of acknowledging boys for academic endeavour and achievement in semester 1. And normally we would have an academic awards assembly this week, with potentially 150 parents in attendance, but with the health restrictions we've had to split into two. A prep to year 3 assembly last week, and you probably saw the images on the school's Facebook page, and a year 4 to 6 assembly tomorrow. And the awards that are being recognised: academic merit, academic diligence, academic improvement, and then also our writing competition awards too. So trophies for first place in each class, second and third place with medallions. And really nice to be able to do that, but unfortunately parents not able to attend, so there'll be more social media with that featured later in the week. All right, one of the things that we're doing, all the teachers in the junior school, just to make sure we're connected with the online learning, each of our teachers has to do one online lesson each week, which ensures they're maintaining contact with that, and the boys are also fully ready in case we need to go to school online again at some stage. But making sure we're prepared in the possible event of that occurring. All right, with sport being back on this weekend, a celebration well and truly. So many boys playing sport, involved and enjoying the games. But there are some conditions there that we've all got to comply with. And one of those is using your mobile phone, making sure you've downloaded the EVA app to check in, and you'll see around our school, and other schools will be doing the same, but it's the QR code, using the reader. It takes probably less than a minute to sign in, but we are aware that that is a compliance issue. Authorities checking across venues around Australia, not just our state, depending where they're at. So can you please download that app and make sure you're using the QR code as you come in. Go and look for it. All right, the last part I'd like to do is a big shout out to our 6A's basketball team, Miss Holtzheimer's team. They had a wonderful win against BGS on the weekend, so they are currently undefeated. Awesome job, guys. Look forward to talking to you next week. Thank you.